Robles attacking. Nice pass. Susero jumper. Take by Susero. Ang gulo ng opensa. Walang makakuha. Sino ba? Manalo. Jumper. Yes. But through pro lang. Ay. Parang kwart. Manalo. Ramirez. One more try. Ramirez. Challenge. Yes. Ano, go? That's Manasan again for the teardrop. Bombs away. Bang. 3. Manasan will attack. The teardrop again. Alvarado, set shot. Gets it. Bantug. Nice cut by Layog. Yes, for a reverse. Saldi. Alvarado once again is good. 15-14. Instant. Santos, the fake, the shot, gets the bounce. Nice. High octane first quarter. Pineda, the pull up. Nothing but the bottom of the net. Huli. No. Saldi. Blocked by Bantug. Ganyan ang huli. Pineda gets the loose ball. Up ahead. Touchdown. Superbook. Shot lock. Offensive rebound Mendoza. Mendoza, turn around. Drop pass to the line. Susero, yes, on the second serving. Yes. Mendoza. Kick out. Pineda is open. Another short jumper. But Santos Mendoza. Inside Manalo. Yes, another jumper. 25-21. Good ball. Mendoza. No. Rebound. Mendoza. Three. 2-0. Uy, naman. Galawang Kobe. Namba move. Ayan na. Point center. Jai Amio. Challenge everyone. Save the day by Bantug. Bantug. Roque pulling away. Gets the roll. Pulling by Roque. Sakto ba to? Sakto nga. Nice play! That is Pineda now. Pineda. Hesitation. Gets the basket. May kasama bang foul. Air ball again for the Heroes. Ayan naman yung habang bato. Tuamyo! Nice! Another touchdown. Oh, grabe naman takbuhan ito. Razon, fading away, gets the basket. Mendoza in the middle, crossover. Mendoza, move, one more try. Reverse is good. Ibut lang ni Mr. Mendoza. 8 seconds. Good. 5 seconds. Jimson. Rayo. Mendoza pump fake. Back to Mendoza. Power play. Rebound Razon. Ayun na naman si Mendoza. Wide open. Ang atake. Bantug. No problem. Superbook. Manasan. 30-10. Yes. To take the shot. Oh, muntikan pa. Mendoza will attack. Mendoza sidestep in. Oy naman. Gets the lucky bounce for Mendoza. Against Musni. Bantug. First shot. Yes. Bantug. Offensive rebound. Yes. Pineda. Manalo. Yes. Pick by Musni. Biglang pull up. Oh naman. Nice jumper from Pineda. Ako, napagod yata yung Superbook. Mendoza, yes. Si Razon against Manalo. Kick out. Layo. Fire. Manalo. Against the lucky bounce. Manalo. Spinning. He's a layup. Manasan. Mendoza from downtown. Mendoza escapes. Lane first break by Mendoza. Time out. 3 minutes. Alam na, wala. Rebound. Manasan. Manasan. Floater. Oh! Pantog, 3 minutes 2. Pantog. Nice shot pass.